Guys, it's dinner time. Today I got gourmet burger. I got Brazilian lemonade. If you never tried this Brazilian lemonade, I will tell you to try this. You need only 3 ingredients: ice, lime, and condensed milk. So before I eat and drinks this, let's do our outfit check. This t-shirt I'm wearing today is from Trentas. And this trouser, Adidas trouser, is from JD. So let's try this amazing burger now. Bismillah. Best drink you can have in this summer, this Brazilian lemonade.